helping keep modern Manx history alive.
Alan, can you take us through what we're watching here? What is the process that it takes to fix a pothole?
Yeah, this is what we call the jet patcher machine that's just been working here. Basically what they do, the machine applies a coat of emulsion into the deep area, applies emulsion with chippings into that area, overcoats the patch with emulsion and chippings, and then to finish that off puts a dry layer of chippings on top just to stop traffic picking the material off while it sets.
And the potholes we just saw there were fixed in minutes.
Yeah, it's a real quick method of repair. Quite a good method of repair. Lasts, I don't know, 2 to maybe 3 years. So yeah, really economic.
But the other way, of course, would be to do a full repair on the road, I suppose.
Yeah, to do a proper repair, you need to either plane out or excavate the road surface. But then, of course, you're taking away material, bringing in new material. So again, there's an increased in cost.
You've got this trade-off between a quick fix, which looks like pebble dashing to me, sort of device, or really sorting the road out. And I suppose the budget's the problem, are they?
Yeah, it probably is to some degree a quick fix, yeah, but will last a number of years till we can get the work into the programme to come back and do a proper repair of the road surface.
We were hearing there before, basically a lot of these roads aren't really proper roads by today's definition underneath. They're easily susceptible to this sort of damage.
Yeah, they are in effect old car tracks, most of them, and they're just built up with layers of surface dressing on most of them over the years, so there's no foundation, no proper road surface on them. So that, yeah, once you get poor weather like we've had, they break up quite easily.
So now it's a question of getting around as many potholes, well, presumably all of them at some point in the next few months?
Yeah, well again, this method, it is quick, and you can cover a good area, in a day. I think conventional patching, you do something like 30 square metres. This method you can do 150, 200 square metres a day, so cover a big area.
So if anyone's still got potholes outstanding, they should get in touch with you?
Yeah, let us know and we'll be out as soon as we can to repair them.
Please subscribe to the Isle of Man TV archive channel. Thank you.